Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So here we have our direction for question is answer the following questions based on the information given below. Well, we have understood the text that the text states about biodiversity. It is stated about how thousands of marine species and many vital habitats have no coverage in America's marine protected areas. Um, and it is also stated that the biodiversity loss, which is increasing, and many governments have been leaning on protected areas to preserve important species and ecosystem. But surprisingly, much of this effort is missing a key ingredient information on the species they are aiming to protect. We also understood about the effective area-based conservation measures and MPH, right? Um, so our stepping stone of MPH. Well, let's move to the question. So what does the question point out? The question stated, if true, which of the following statements would most effectively undermine? When you talk about undermine, it means a weakening, right? So it is a weakening based question. Weakening based question, isn't it? So if true, which of the following statement would most effectively weakening the recommendations made by the study in the passage? Well, look at the choices. The first choice stated community-led and tribal-led conservation efforts may lack scientific rigor. Second one, stepping stone MPH could disrupt existing ecosystem, however, it is essential. Third, focus on deep water corals may divert resources from other critical habitats. And four, lack of formal recognition and regulation of OCEMs might lead to inconsistent protection. Now, in that case, if I observe this, option one, which is stated community-led and tribal-led conservation efforts may lack scientific rigor. So, which is incorrect because this option could possibly challenge the validity of community-led efforts. Um, However, you can say it doesn't directly counteract the study's broader range of recommendation. So hence you can say this doesn't weakening the recommendation. So option one is eliminated. So, and if you look at the option two, what does option two point out? Option two stated stepping stone, which we point out here, stepping stone MPH, right? So what does it say? Stepping stone MPH could disrupt existing ecosystem, however essential. Now, if you read the line, the study offers a web of suggestions for improving marine protection. Stepping stone MPA could create vital connections to help species move between protected zones. The study also calls for protecting more critical areas for marine mammals and birds and for prioritizing coverage of deep water corals, which are key habitats for many fishes, right? In that case, if I look at the option two, right, means which is the correct answer, um, as the passage recommends using stepping stone MPH to create vital connection to help species move between protected zones. If it were true, then that these stepping stone MPs could disrupt existing ecosystems. It would most effectively, you can say that, undermine this recommendation. Disrupting existing ecosystems could cause more than good, counteracting the intended benefits of improved species connectivity. So you can consider option two is correct because it directly challenges a key recommendation of the study by suggesting that the proposed solution could have detrimental or harmful effect on existing ecosystem, right or no? So in that case, this can undermine the recommendation, isn't it? So option two would be considered as the correct answer. Let's look at the option three. What does it say? Option three stated focus on deep water corals may divert resources from other critical habitats. Option three also incorrect because it would indicate a potential issue in resource allocation, but would not fundamentally weakening the overall recommendation, isn't it? So option three is eliminated. Option four stated lack of formal recognition and regulation of OCEMs might lead to inconsistent protection, right? Uh, So while the lack of formal regulation could lead to inconsistency, the option doesn't directly challenge the effectiveness of the conservation strategies recommendation in the study. So hence option 4 is also incorrect or doesn't weakening the recommendations. So we can find out option 2 would be the correct answer to this question. Hope you understood this. Option 2 is the choice which will weakening the recommendation or most effectively weakening the recommendation. Hope you understood. That's all. Thank you.